Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the brand new 2018 Sea Ray 25 SDX. This model was just redesigned from the old 22 and 24 and reimagined into what you're seeing in front of you. An absolutely massive sun deck platform here with opposing seat that flip-flops aft or forward. It's the biggest sun lounge that you'll find on a 25-foot boat. This particular boat has an inboard engine, but you can also get it with the outboard configuration. Taking a step aboard, adopting some great things from the previous models, but also transitioning new ideas. Full L group sun lounge, reversible, aft facing, companion and helm chair, great for a bolster facing forward, but also as a great rear lounge. In-floor storage, as well as significant storage here in the transom. Boarding the boat, you'll notice the absolutely cavernous head compartment here that can easily be transferred into a lounge or bed. The helm station has been redesigned, including the 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter fish finder unit. Bluetooth stereo throughout. It's certainly a comfortable ride for the captain, even on a long trip. Taking a step to the bow. An incredible bow configuration, new for this year, but also allowing maximum seating, both forward and reverse facing. Table up in the front. And what would a sun deck be without the bow boarding ladder and shower? Very easy to get off onto the sandbar. This has been the video walkthrough of the Sea Ray 2018 25 SDX, and this is Ian Stevenson. Come check us out at MarineMax.com.